All right, so I got some Chikini or sneeze powder, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it before. Oh no. Whew. Oh, it smells like dirt and I don't know what to call it. It's gonna work though. Oh, it's really gonna work. Oh. Oh. Ooh. These are strong. Oh. 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 Oh, that felt so good. Oh, fuck. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Ooh. Oh my goodness, these are so different than my normal sneezes. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so much spray. Oh my god, this feels so good. I'm like, oh, fuck. Okay, I think that's it. I gotta clean up a little bit. Ooh, I gotta blow my nose.